Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you a great recipe for how to cook Brussels sprouts with a lemon herb aioli. Now, I'm using for my lemon herb aioli, I'm using this beautiful combination from Stonewall Kitchen. You can find more information about these guys online at stonewallkitchen.com. Really tasty stuff. It has tarragon and has dill in it. It's creamy, it's delicious. Oh, it's so good. It's good cold, it's good hot, and it's gonna be nice tonight on our cooked Brussels sprouts. And these are Ontario Brussels sprouts from Harvest Barn Country Markets. Now, if you didn't know we had ones in Ontario, you do now, and they're in right now at the barn. So make sure you get out there. There's 2 locations in Southern Ontario. One is in Niagara on the Lake and one is in St. Catharines. I got these at my Niagara on the Lake location, as well as this lemon herb aioli. So you can pop in there and grab both of these things and have a side dish pretty much ready to go. Really simple, really easy. You know, make your life easy sometimes. So I've just rinsed these under cold water and now I need to trim them. Some of them, you know, they've got outside leaves that you need to peel off, and I'm also going to trim the bottom. So we're just going to, just like I said, peel a couple of those outside leaves off. You can use your hands or you can just use your knife to do that. And I'm just going to trim the bottoms off so they're nice and pared. Now, Brussels sprouts tend to be a little bit dirty, so make sure that they're nice and rinsed, okay? And I'm just going to rinse and repeat on all of these until I'm done. On my stovetop, I have a medium-sized saucepan, and I've got, actually, I'm doing a ham tonight. So I've used the liquid I boiled my ham in, and that's in my pot for my Brussels sprouts. I have about maybe an inch and a half, because I'm doing a bunch of these guys, okay? This is gonna serve a bunch of people. This is kind of Thanksgiving style dinner we're doing tonight. I guess I wouldn't typically do the lemon herb aioli, but it's gonna be tasty. Really all it's about is having a feast with your family and loved ones, right? So that's what we're doing. So bring that water up to a nice boil and ready for these guys. I'm just gonna leave these guys whole tonight. In fact, you could cut them in half if you want to, but I don't like that because they kind of get waterlogged when I do them like this, and I don't want that to happen. And that's why I've only used about an inch and a half of water as well. I don't want them totally waterlogged. I just want them cooked through nicely. Now add a little salt to your water. I like to add a little bit of pepper. And the flavor from that ham stock, or now that it's created a stock, is going to be really nice with these. Pork matches nicely with Brussels sprouts. It goes well with bacon. It goes well with potatoes and onions. It goes well with just about anything I could think of. Anything savory and delicious. It's a nice hearty fall side dish. You know, sometimes maybe you don't want cabbage. This is a nice alternative. Plus, kids like these. Well, I liked them when I was a kid. I guess maybe not all kids like them. But I liked them as a kid because they were like little tiny cabbages, and I just thought that was cool. Now, when you're paring these and you take the outside leaves off and take the bottom off, you want to leave some of that stem so that it holds all the leaves together for you in one nice little bunch. That's the whole goal. All right, so we're all done. Throw these in the pot. Don't throw out these little clippings. You can throw these in a resealable plastic bag in the freezer and use them for when you're making a stock or a soup, and you know, get the water flavored with bones and etc. And these clippings, they're not bad. You just might not want to eat them right now. Okay, so I'm putting that in my freezer, and into my pot these go. Now I want to bring that water back up to a boil as quickly as possible, and I'm leaving the lid on. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to bring it down to a simmer, and I'm going to let these guys go for about 8 to 10 minutes. I want them to be knife or fork tender, okay? Okay, these Brussels sprouts have been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to test them with a knife. Oh, they're perfect. Gorgeous. So I'm going to drain these of their water. Now for the kids or for those who are less adventurous, I like to reserve a couple of these and just put butter, salt, and pepper on just to satisfy the masses. Now, for the rest of us, I'm going to add some of this lemon herb aioli. Awesome. Maybe a good 2 tablespoons, I would say. I'm going to dress it up with a little bit of cracked pepper, just because I like pepper, lots. Everything else is really nice and well balanced and seasoned in here, and I just like mine a little bit peppery, that's all. So you can just roll with it the way it is. So I like to use my pot as a tool for mixing. Put the top on and just shake them all about. You want them to be completely covered by this gorgeous aioli. Oh my goodness. Lovely. Boy, that smells good. And I'm going to throw these in a serving bowl for y'all. Look at these. Ooh-wee. Creamy and delicious. Lemony. Boy, it smells nice. It makes a beautiful sauce. This is also nice on cauliflower. It's nice on carrots. It's nice on asparagus. Many, many vegetables, lemon and herb goes well. Now look at that. Tender, perfectly cooked Brussels sprouts with this gorgeous aioli. I mean, I really wish you could smell it. You have no idea how flavorful and how aromatic this is. Boy. Okay, so the only thing left to do is try one for you. I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna cut it in half for you to see. Boy, look at this. So you've got this gorgeous, creamy and herbed topping. It's all gonna fall in between those little leaves. It's gonna be so delicious. That's a winning combination. Nice. Perfectly lemony. It has a nice dill and it has that tarragon. It's creamy. I love creamy. It has lemon oil in it. It's nice and fragrant. It has garlic in there. It has some chili in there. Fantastic stuff. So there you go. That's an easy side dish, and I gave you like 3 or 4 more that you can do with this, okay? This is also good as a dip raw. Works well for me. I'm not mad. I want one more of these guys because they are good. Make sure you get some of that nice creaminess at the bottom. Beautiful. So that's how you do it. That's how you cook Brussels sprouts with a lemon herb aioli. Fantastic. Head out to the Harvest Barn Country Market, anyone near you, and get you some Stonewall Kitchen lemon herb aioli and some fresh Ontario Brussels sprouts. You'll be really happy you did. All right? Check them out online at harvestbarn.ca. Follow me on Twitter at cookingwithkime with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and you can find me syndicated on Roku. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Subscribe and interact with us. Let us know what's going down in your culinary world. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.